here it is. It's finally here. With this car, it has everything you'll ever need. A VXL system, all-wheel drive, metal diffs, all of the goodies. You may think this is just a slash VXL 4x4, but you'd be wrong because it has a much longer wheelbase, different tires, oil-filled shocks, waterproof electronics, everything you'll ever need. And not only that, it is supposedly really detailed and super scale. Oh boy. So here, remote, phone, play. Oh my god. Look how cool this thing looks. And underneath, there's a new clipless body system where you can just press these little tabs right here, just like on the TRX-4M, and the whole body will come right off. And the whole body comes right off. We got our brushless 3S power system. We got the heavy-duty drive shafts from the ultra heavy-duty kit. We got lights on the bumper, waterproof electronics, and it looks like a smaller receiver box too. Also got reverse lights and this extended bumper. That looks awesome. A double wishbone suspension on the rear and in the front. Very flexible side bumpers, and the chassis is also extended, so we have a lot more room right here. out of battery, but oh my god, this thing is so fun. Out of 10 stars, I would give this thing a 9 out of 10. I have a few reasons why this thing isn't a 10 out of 10. Is when you're turning at high speeds, the body rubs on the tires and it makes a loud noise. Besides that, this thing is incredible. It's fast, it's easy to drive, it looks super good on camera, and it performs overall really well.